Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Doge on MetaMask. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is set up and ready. You'll need to add the correct network if Doge isn't natively supported, often through a bridge or wrapped token. Having a small amount of Ethereum is crucial for covering gas fees, which are necessary for any transaction on the network. Next, you'll need to fund your MetaMask wallet. You can transfer Ethereum or a stablecoin like USD from a centralized exchange directly to your MetaMask address. Always double-check the network you're sending funds on to avoid any loss. Make sure you have enough to cover both your Doge purchase and the associated gas fees. Now, let's swap for Dogecoin. Connect your MetaMask wallet to a decentralized exchange that supports Doge, often a wrapped version like Doge. Select the trading pair, for example, Ethereum versus Doge, and enter the amount you wish to swap. Carefully review all transaction details, including the gas fee, before confirming the swap in your MetaMask wallet. Congratulations! Your Dogecoin should now be visible in your MetaMask wallet. Remember to always prioritize security by using strong passwords and enabling two-factor authentication where possible. Consider hardware wallets for larger holdings. For more insights on managing your finances and wealth, check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book, along with other valuable deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.